Hours later.
Yo guys, back with another video. Fish Resident here. Today we're going to show you how to use a duping machine. Now I know I kind of told you in my last video, but here's a clear scheme to know. Now let's get to the video.
Hey.
So what we're going to be
you gotta, hey, buddy. Hey, pal. You gotta say my name, buddy.
This is what we're going to be needing, guys.
You gotta say my name. Starts with a D, ends with a Y. There's 3 D's in the word.
So we're gonna be here with Elite Rage. Make sure you guys subscribe.
No. It's Daddy. It's Daddy. Okay. Here, I'm gonna start my recording now.
All right.
Okay. This little monkey finally started his video. So let's go.
All right, guys. We're going to office because that's where you have to do. Aaron, go get Dynamite.
I'm scared, bro. Cannot move.
Go get Dynamite.
Oh yeah, wait. Okay guys, I'll cut the video whenever we get Dynamite, because Dynamite, if you didn't know, is actually one of the best ways to fill up the red bar. So yeah, and be right.
All right, guys. Well,
Holy
while he go
crap,
get,
bro, I need to change my camera settings to lower.
well, while he goes to get Dynamite, I'm gonna sit here and talk to you guys about the update and how I think about it. Okay, the office update.
Talk if you're gay.
What?
What? Hey, stop, bro.
Don't ever say
Chill it
that.
down, please.
So, this is who we're going to be going against. We kill him. As you can see, he's been at work all day. Look at his eyes. We have to kill him, and when we kill him, we gotta kill him, collect ducks, get Dynamite, which he is doing right now. But my opinion on the update, it's actually good, cause I've mined down there, and I've actually got a ton of research points instead of going to planetarium. But as you know, they did patch the planetarium thing. Let me go to it right now. So they did patch the little hole right here, so now you can't get in there anymore. But it's still good, you know. Oh, they also patched the other one too. They patched this one too. I don't know. I mean, I know why, but I'm saying, why would you ruin the fun? They patched this one. You will have to come right here with a teleport grenade, roll it under there, and you'll be good. And yeah, my opinion on the update, it's actually kind of good.
One sec.
It's actually good. The update is actually good. I mean, I like it. We got ducks now. It's just a lot. We're gonna just see you guys later until this nipple tip get back. Alright guys, he finally came back with the Dynamite, so let's go. And yes, I did get this while I was duping. Let's pick that back up because it'll glitch through. And if you don't know, look at my last video and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, now here, whoa. Aaron? It changed.
What the heck? Wait, they changed the office? Oh, wait. Okay, wait, guys. I just came to this, and I see this.
So I think it's the opposite way. Yes, the opposite.
Wait. I'm gonna try and fix my settings one more time, guys.
I wanna go see Jane. Don't see Jane. They somehow wait. Did they get rid of Jane? They didn't get rid of Jane. Oh. Okay, I hear her. I don't know where she is. Hey, well, this is new. Very new to this. Alright, guys. Let's head to this elevator. Let's wait on this autistic kid to come on.
Try to feel autistic barnacle. You're built like a
What are you
banana.
talking about, bro?
You tingle Pepatron.
Be quiet. Alright, guys. So, if we walk in here, second elevator, guys.
Hey! Oh wait, these settings are way better.
Alright. Oh, sorry.
So yeah, I think these are some good settings. But I don't know.
Okay, guys, we made it back.
Good.
Well, he made it back.
I hope so.
Oh, they switched this.
And they switched this up too.
Oh.
Oh no,
Get over here. Jump him. Oh,
what?
you threw it. You didn't break it, you threw it.
Let me get.
No, it's like Diddy in here, bro. You can't do anything.
I'm oiled up everywhere.
What? What came out?
It's above you.
Oh.
It came out everywhere.
Okay. Alright, guys. Well,
Make sure to grab the pickaxe the right way. Right way, right?
let's close them out.
Whoa! Ha! How did bro just do that?
That's revenge.
Okay, wait, did they change? Okay, they didn't change the duck place, but they
Yes,
did
they
add
did.
some new stuff.
They did change it. Yes, they did. This is different, buddy.
Okay,
There's two
basically what we
duck
need now
rooms.
is all we need is 10 ducks. We just need to get them in the backpack. And
Where's he?
guard, man.
Alright, guys. Well, we're gonna go on the montage because this is gonna take a minute.
Yeah, guys. What we
Alright,
said.
duck montage in
Alright,
3,
montage.
2, 1, go!
Money massage.
Oh, he spawned right below us, Aaron.
Oh crap.
Slapped him upside the head. Nipple fart. We could have used that. Ow. I'm lost.
Okay, montage is over, guys. I'm sorry. That was such a good montage, but
Yeah, guys, montage is over.
did you get 10 duckies?
No, I did not.
You already get 10 duckies. Just remember, my bag is filled with that.
I forgot where we had to go. I'm low-key Tartar. I think our ducks despawned, dude.
No, they're right over here.
Alright, I got ducks. Alright, come on. Remember, guys, you want to grab 11 just in case. I don't pick up the ducks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there any up there? Yeah, there's okay. So yeah, we should be good. But now we'll just have to find the way. Because this is new update. They updated the map and everything. But you know, I honestly kind of like it because there's not really a bunch of games that have weekly updates and that change their entire map every single time. So that means that the devs really are working on some game. And now you can just watch this guy pick up ducks. And yeah, 3, 2, 1 montage.
Well, that's enough. Alright, so
Hey, how much do you have?
we've acquired enough. Just 10. Oh, like literally the.
Check. Here, let's count.
I know, cause the full storage is 10. And I didn't put anything
No,
else
but you
in
might have
there.
other stuff in there.
I don't, because I checked. And I took everything out of here. Alright guys,
So
let's move on. Let's try to find this exit, because they did update it. This might be it. Nope, didn't. Let's try over here. Oh, you nipple! Close the door! Close the door!
I'm stick with your nuggets.
Don't kill him! Don't kill him!
Oh yeah, close the door, close the door.
Alright, I'll close it. Aaron, close it! Close it! Good boy!
We got him, let's go.
Alright, he's stuck. Aaron, nothing's in there. We gotta find a new exit. Let's go this way. I found it. Wait, no, that's okay. So this is the main room.
Wait, that was the
Aaron, I found the room. Aaron.
So put up the radio.
Oh,
Where?
alright, come on. I think I found it. I don't fully know, but Yep, I found it.
Is it?
Yep. You nipple! So why is he?
You know, guys, we might do a path just to like show all the people who don't know what path is.
Okay, I think this is the door. If I'm not
Show all the people who don't know. But
and this might not be the
you
door.
know, then try and help as much other people as you can.
Aaron, grapple up! Aaron, grapple up! Aaron, grapple up!
Because it really is. Like,
Okay, Aaron, no, wrong way, Aaron. Get back down here, Aaron.
They might have changed this slip.
Aaron, you're gonna die.
This layout.
Aaron, you're gonna die.
Watch
Don't
this.
go in that room.
There's a guy
Don't go in
right
that
around the
room.
corner. What the flip?
So why are we throwing things?
Oh, my bad. I didn't do anything.
No,
I didn't think I'd do
this is the
nothing.
correct way. Come on.
This is the correct way? Come on.
This is the correct way.
Hit your poopy head self.
All right, guys. I forgot. Okay. Ow.
Oh!
Okay, so that's the door we came out
Yeah,
of.
this is the correct way. Find the right door now.
No, this is the door we came out of. Wait, what the flip flop?
I don't know, there's too many there.
You nipple! Did you just try to close me out both
No.
times?
This
Oh,
could be
he's
it.
right there.
This could be it.
This is it.
Why would bro touch the ground?
Guys, I died. Let's run back. Oh, what? I'm coming. Did you watch my stuff? You fat bastard. Aaron, you sniffing my butt. Get down here. If you help. I'm at the main entrance.
What kind of grappler is this? What is this monstrosity? What is this? You are not getting that back.
Aaron, bro. Can you drop it for me? You have to pull the trigger. Can you drop it for me?
Hey,
No, I'm not giving your pickaxe back until you get my stuff back. Aaron, actually, can I get my stuff back?
I don't know.
I am on.
Yes, it's right here on the floor.
Thanks.
Where'd you throw it? Oh. Aaron, no, give me my stuff back, actually. Bro, I'm gonna kill you, bro. Give me my stuff back.
No, don't do it to me.
Bro, give me my stuff.
Yo. I swear to find it, guys. Let's see if you can find it. Where'd you put my stuff? Bro, how did you find it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright guys, let's go get the nut shredder because I like shredding nuts. Here's die again. I'm dead. Oh, yeah. Why is he full chasing?
Ducks going in.
Wait, let me get the key card. Okay. Wait, chill. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, wait, yeah, we did.
What you? Why you scream like that? Are you dumb? Oh wait, no, you're not.
Put in the ducks.
You're smart.
I know that. Oh, so nice.
Aaron, try to find me.
Found you.
No, you didn't.
Alright, come on.
Uno, dos, tres, cuando, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve.
Oh, Aaron. Okay, go. Why did I just hear a whoopee cushion?
Perhaps.
You could have just poured everything in. Don't light it.
No, keep going.
Alright, guys. By the way, if I didn't mention, you want to fill up. Oh, Aaron, stop. Don't put nothing else in. Aaron, don't put nothing else in. Aaron.
Guys, I told y'all dynamite is the best thing.
Alright, so you want to fill up the duck meter first, in my opinion. And then you fill this up. Then
You
this.
probably should fill the duck meter first.
Then that's when you drop down here, you throw the item you want to do. So it could be a suitcase, nut shredder, anything in the game. Then once you do that,
It's in the grappler. Did you put anything in?
no. So then you come over here, cause if you put the key card in, when you do, if you do that and you put the key card in, then you're not going to get anything. But if you do, oh,
okay.
Aaron, right here. Wait, trade me,
Oh, I want that one.
trade me. Aaron, look.
Ooh. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, guys.
We gotta go lay him out. We gotta go lay him out. We gotta go lay him out.
Like, subscribe again. Yeah, guys. Comment if you want to see the next video. And yeah, have a good day.
He ended his video early, but I'm gonna just showcase him
Oh, no, we gotta do the
just,
thumbnail.
just to show y'all. So here's colorful, small, extra small,
Wait, we gotta lay them out.
large. Okay, so this is my layout, and this is what I'm
we're
gonna be
lay them
taking
all out for
home.
the thumbnail.
So guys, this is what you get if you do the stuff properly, the steps and everything. Just remember, step 1, always get a key card and always fill the duck meter up first. Step number 2, you want to fill up the office meter after you fill up the duck meter. Step number 3, you put in what you want to do. Step number 4, you want to then put the key card in and collect your stuff right there. Guys, it was a cool video. Make sure to like us. Hey guys, Fish Resident here. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment to be in the next video. Peace.